Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana and this is my first video ever. So if you have any type of tips for me or if you would like for me to do something different, just let me know the type of content I'm trying to do. It's just lifestyle and video vlogging and all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share with your family. Thank you. What's wrong, buddy? Did you wake up? Did you wake up, Papa? Oh, goodness. Say hi. Hello. I want you guys to meet my dog, Caleb. He's 9 years old. Loves going outside, right, Papa? This is why you want to go? You want to go outside? Okay. Bye-bye. Kid you not. I clean this house 5 times a day. Because my 2-year-old, it's crazy. And I have a newborn. And I have one chocolate on. I don't know why. Anyways, we're going to try to clean it. And I've been washing clothes for like 2 days now. I have a pile. My husband is supposed to put away. I wash, I fold, he puts away. Day 2. Let's see how many days it will take for him to put all this up. Right, CJ? Uh-oh. You okay, buddy? All right. Anyways, let me give you a tour of the mess in this home. So, this is the playroom. Always like this, always. Kitchen, I try to keep it clean, but the day goes on. Look at this. Thank you, okay. Thank you. I'm still washing. Still washing. Don't mind that. Anyways, still washing. I'll do the rest. This stuff from the Dollar Tree, worth your money, bro. I discovered this bottle because ever since this Rona, aka coronavirus, happened, I haven't been able to find my 409 and I'm very mad about it. So this stuff right here is what I'm using for the moment because my 409, I miss you. I haven't been able to find her in a couple months. So this does it.
been like 3 solid years since I stopped. No, CJ's 2 years since I stopped working. It's been a little bit harder on me because I used to make my own money, man. And now I don't. And I know I shouldn't say this, but I don't like to depend on my husband. But he's awesome. He doesn't ever tell me no. You know, he is so good to me. But I don't know, my mom always told me since I was a kid that a woman always needs her own money. To never depend on a man. Yada yada yada. I'm guessing in the Hispanic culture, women tend to work too, even if there's enough in the house. My mom, wow, I mean, one day I'm gonna tell you y'all her story. She came to this country pregnant with me. Okay, I was born in New York, and yeah, she did it all on her own for a very long time. Till she met my daddy, my stepfather, but he's my daddy. He's the best. And ever since then, she's been married to him. Yes, Papa? Yes? Yes? Oh, más? Okay. Más. I'll give you more. I'll give you more, okay? Right here, okay. This spin mop, yo, game changer. I don't know why I never bought this. This is just the best thing that's ever happened to me. Because it's over there. Yay. Second pop of the day.
doctor's gonna kill me. Don't judge me. I don't care. You want some of that? You want, okay? These are potatoes, boy. Yeah, let's see. Eat it. Why would you bring me a potato, CJ? Eat it. Cleanness my house will get for right now. I have to be realistic sometimes, you know. Not everything is going to be clean. Because I have 2 little babies and now I gotta defrost some chicken for dinner. So let's go do that. Let's go take out some chicken. Anyways, I couldn't finish the end of the vlog, but here's one, baby. Here's the second one. So I'll try to get better at this. See what else I can film or whatnot. See if my husband wants to be on the videos. CJ loves being recorded. But anyways, thank you guys. And like and subscribe. I mean, do it if you want to. That'll be cool. And yeah, you guys have a great day.